What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when your camera is not working or not showing up on Windows 10. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First of all, search for Camera Settings in your taskbar search to open up your Camera Privacy Settings window. Here, click on Change to enable camera access to this device. This will make sure that Windows 10 will not block cameras connected to the PC. Below, make sure that this option is enabled, and then you can choose which applications are allowed to access your camera. Also, make sure to allow desktop cameras to access your PC. After verifying your camera privacy settings, search for Device Manager to open it up. On this window, expand your cameras, right-click the camera which is not showing up, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for updated driver software. When this is done, search for Update to open up your Check for Updates System Settings window. Here, click on Check for Updates, and after downloading the latest update, make sure to restart your PC. In case nothing helped, then you should make sure that your PC is not faulty. Make sure to test your camera with another PC and change the USB slot on your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.